Lancy Arts Products Factory was founded in 2003. Factory covers an area of more than 2.668 hectares and has a production workshop of 35,000 square meters. Lancy has always adhered to the philosophy of management. Innovation strives for development. Quality is the lifeblood of enterprise. We have integrated an industrial train with professional research and development, production and sales after many years of development. Factory's mainly business focus on new designed oil paintings, modern paintings, different kinds of new materials frames, resin arts and crafts, modern home decoration, etc. Research and development team comes from the United States, Germany, Italy, the Netherlands, and domestic well-known designers. Lancy aimed at the market demand and has developed into its own characteristics. According to market demand, divided into 5 styles: North America, Europe, Arab, Asian, and domestic market. From creative design, hand painting to 3D printing, Lancy has its own innovative ideas and unique design style. We choose professional logistics in priority to assure efficient, fast, and safe. Factory has been awarded honorable titles like Fujian City Cultural Industry Demonstration Base and the Fujian Province Cultural Industry Demonstration Base, successively, and won glorious titles: Fujian Province Famous Trademark and Fujian Province Famous Brand. We become the important cultural industry output and talent training base. Lancy Oil Painting will be the pioneer of modern home decoration. We will strive to improve people's quality of life. Let the art light up every family, light up every corner of the world. Welcome to Lancy Oil Painting.